Okay, now we're going to mess with some basic shapes. You can keep adding to your file you had before, or you can create a new one. I'm going to zoom in. I'm going to hide my timeline, so we're not doing any animation. I'm going to pull and grab, see if this will move over some. I guess I'm as far over as I can go. So, say I want to make a bicycle. I'm going to start with the oval tool. If you want to draw a perfect circle, you can hold Shift down, and that will work. And say if you want something to be the same size, once again you draw, you can just copy what you have. Select it, right-click, copy, and then edit, paste, right-click and paste, or Control-V is the shortcut. Now one cool tool we have up here under the white arrow is the Free Transformation tool. I'm going to click on that, select my wheel, and you can use it to rotate things. If you see the curved cursor, you can stretch things. You can really change it how you want. Say I wanted to add some, make it look like there was some sort of forward movement if these were bicycle wheels. Oops. I have to remember to drag a box around it all and then scoot it over. To make it look like it had some forward motion, I can make them sort of oblong and then move them. Or rotate them such. Kind of gives the illusion of some forward motion there. Now another cool option, I'm going to draw just a oval up top, is you can just resize shapes by clicking on them and dragging with the selection arrow. So I'm clicking and I can make sort of a paisley shape. I'm going to click with my Free Transform tool, rotate it a bit, and I don't know, this really doesn't look like anything in particular, but say this was to be a person over the handlebars, I could set it up like that. Let's see what else. And say I wanted to add a bicycle frame to this. I'll click back on the pen tool. I'm going to increase the stroke on the pen and draw a few lines. So I'll click here, and hit escape and leave it like that. Notice how this went over the top. Later on we'll be able to control what's in front and what's in back when we start working with layers. Since we're not working with layers yet, I'm going to click on my selection tool, see if I can just click that middle part and hit delete and see what happens. And it's kind of not as good as I'd like it to be, so I'm going to redraw the top tube of the bike by clicking here and there, hit escape, and I'm going to draw one more on this side. So, not perfect, but it's a start. And you notice if we use thick strokes on all of our items, it gives us a nice cartoonish effect, which if you're not a good artist, really lets you hide a lot of things.